Hi guys, this is Miss Walters. Just wanted, a few of you are familiar with our technology lab here at Brentwood Christian, but for those of you that are not, I just want to make you aware of a few rules and procedures. Beginning with when you come in, the computers will be password protected, and that password is just simple for my little guys to remember as well, and it is simply the 3 letters that spell the word fun. So F-U-N. And then let me just quickly go over some of the other things you'll need to remember. Arrival procedures. So important that you come in quietly. I will be quickly trying to take attendance so that we can get started for the day. So I need to see you at your workstation that you've been assigned to. You want to also get in the habit of looking at the front of the classroom because I will have announcements or a bell ringer for the day, and I will want you to begin that immediately. We also want to remember not to bring in water, drinks, snacks, or any of those things because it's important that you use clean hands when handling the computer equipment. And then also remember to be gentle. We don't want to push the keys too hard. The computer screens are touchscreen, so you obviously want to be gentle with them. But just realize again that as long as we take care of the computer equipment, they'll be able to last longer. Also be careful with the keyboard and your mouse. In addition, you may decide to bring in your own personal headphones. That's completely okay. I will provide headphones for you, but if you'd like to bring in your own, that's fine. Just please make sure to plug those in and out gently, and then always replace the headphones, the classroom set, when you leave. You also want to leave your workstation nice and clean. Set everything back in its proper place. In addition, do not change the settings on the computer. Remember that I teach K4 all the way up to 8th grade, and so it's important that the computer stay exactly the way I want it to be, that I've set it, so that students can come in and be used to what they're seeing. So don't change any of the settings, but also do not save images and shortcuts and those kind of things and try to personalize the home screen. This is, again, not your computer. It is belongs to the school, and so we want things to be pretty standardized across the lab. And so if you do have a project you're working on that saves images, please upload those into your Google Drive and then delete them off the home screen. Also, you want to, when it comes time to learn, to please listen and follow my directions. Some of you will be asked to log into learning.com. Some of you will be logging into code.org, depending on what class you're in. You'll have several unique usernames and passwords, and so I would like you to keep those safe. So we have a file that you'll save in your Google Drive that has that information there, so that we won't ever have any problems with, oh, Miss Walters, I can't log in, my password's not working, because it's very, very important that you be able to get into those different accounts. And then we'll begin the lesson I've assigned, and we'll work quietly. Sometimes we'll have group activities where we'll need to talk to each other. Sometimes we will be working as a group on the computer or online, which necessarily won't facilitate talking per se, but you will be interacting with your other students. Want to go over just having that growth mindset, because there are some times where you might get frustrated in computer class, so it's important to remember the power of yet. I may not be able to do this yet. This isn't working yet. I don't know yet. It doesn't make sense yet. Just adding that simple word of yet at the end of those statements makes you feel like you can be empowered to do it at a later date. And last but not least, just ask yourself, what kind of mindset do you have? Are you a student that quickly gets frustrated, hates the possibility of failure, or are you someone that can persevere through failures, realizing, of course, that that's a way that we learn? And then I want you to be sure to give me 5 when it's time to leave. Save and exit your program, save your work, write down any homework you might have, put your headphones and personal materials back in your backpack, and leave your workstation clean. And be sure to push in your chair. That's it.